Hey guys, in this time I'm gonna explain you a little bit about Kali. It's nothing fancy, nothing new. It's just our effort so that you guys know, in case that you never know before, this specific Linux distribution, since we're gonna be using it heavily during our labs. So first of all, what is Kali Linux? Well, it is a penetration testing Linux distribution. It is created by Offensive Security team. It is a really awesome distribution. Uh, Mainly, it has a repository of multiple tools so that security-related engineers can use them in their engagements. You can find tools for hacking web wireless, hacking web applications, for reverse engineers, for database hackers, for security auditors, for forensic guys, for password crackers. I mean, it is an arsenal of tools that we will take a look later. But it is pretty cool. It is very recommended because that way you can find tools that you probably didn't know before, or tools that sometimes are hard to configure. Let's talk about, let's say, a wireless specific driver from a specific network card that it is difficult to install. Well, those guys have put a lot of effort in order to configure those drivers in order for you to have ready that specific testing. And that's just one example. That's the effort behind Offensive Security. They put a lot of effort configuring this specific Linux distribution so that everyone who is able to use it, they can get those benefits. They don't need to take too much time trying to install other stuff.